Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is quiver. It's pronounced Quiver, and it's spelt Q-U-I-V-E-R. Think qui and then the. Quiver means to shake slightly, often because of strong emotion. For example, you could say, his bottom lip quivered and he began to cry. The word quiver comes from the Old English word quiver, spelt C-W-I-F-E-R, meaning nimble or quick. This is different to its modern meaning, but you can see the association here. To quiver means to tremble or shake in a small, quick way. Did you know that quiver also has another meaning? The word quiver can also be a noun. Do you know what a quiver is? A quiver is a case for carrying arrows. Well done if you got it. Quivers are often carried on an archer's body or on a bow. They were traditionally made of leather, wood, furs, and other natural materials, but now they're often made of metal or plastic. Can you think of any famous TV or film characters who use a bow and arrow and therefore carry a quiver? Some examples for you are Legolas, Robin Hood, Hawkeye, Lara Croft, and Susan Pevensey. All of these characters carry a quiver full of arrows with them. Quiver is a verb, and therefore it is used to express action. For example, you could say the tree's branches quivered in the wind if the branches were shaking slightly. Or you could use quiver as a noun and say, Hawkeye pulled another arrow from his quiver. Quiver is defined in the dictionary as to tremble or shake with a slight, rapid motion. Quiver's synonyms include tremble, shake, shiver, quaver, quake, shudder, and vibrate. Antonyms include dull, quiet, still, motionless, and inert. See if you can see anything quivering today. It could be a person or an object. Look around you now. Can you see anything that is quivering? If not, next time you're watching a TV or a film in which a character uses a bow and arrow, you could also point out the quiver of arrows on the character's back. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.